Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix the problem of gray screen on WhatsApp. You will go on WhatsApp here, then in this page you will go to above to these three dots and you will enter. Here in this list you will click on settings. After that, in this page you will go down until you find here shots and you will click. Then in this list you will go to shot backup, and here in this list you will click on backup as you see, and then your messages or your shots will back up here. Then you will go to this sign of settings. After that you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about WhatsApp app and you will click. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. After that you will click on storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of WhatsApp. And here in this page you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.